Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D. Let's learn colors name: purple, orange, sky blue, pink, light green, green, blue, yellow, red and black color. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. Yellow color. A. B. C. D. Blue color. A. A for ant. B. B for balloon. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Pink color. A. B. C. D. Green color. A. A for alligator. B. B for bat. C. C for cat. D. D for dolphin. Orange color. A. B. C. D. Red color. A. A for apple. B. B for bat. C. C for cat. D. D for dinosaur. A. B. C. D.